In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows in Monday.com. We'll start by creating a great foundation with a new board. Then we'll add automations that turn repetitive steps into reliable, hands-off workflows. Begin on your Monday.com home screen. On the left sidebar, look for your workspace and click the small plus icon next to it. This opens the creation menu where you can add new assets to your workspace. Choose board. A board is the core building block in Monday.com and will hold your items, groups, and columns, the place where your future automations will run. Give your board a clear, descriptive name. A good name helps teammates instantly understand what lives here, like marketing requests or Q1 project tracker. Next, set the privacy. Pick the option that fits your use case, whether it's open to your team, limited to a few people, or intended for external collaboration. Choosing correctly here can save you access headaches later. You'll be prompted to select what you're managing in this board. This step helps Monday.com suggest a structure with relevant columns such as people, status, dates, or numbers. Choose the closest match to your process. Don't worry, you can always customize columns after creation. When you're ready, click Create Board. You now have a canvas for your workflow. To automate it, go to the top right and select Automate. You'll land in the Automation Center where you can browse categories that organize common use cases, things like status changes, due date reminders, item creation, assignments, and more. Use these categories to quickly find recipes that fit your process. If you want full control, choose to create from scratch. This lets you build a rule step by step. Pick a trigger, define conditions, and choose an action. It's perfect when your process is unique or you want to keep things very specific to your board's columns and statuses. If you prefer a faster start, select a pre-built recipe you like and click. Use template. Templates cover popular patterns such as notifying an owner when a status changes or moving items when due dates arrive. After selecting a template, review it to make sure the trigger, conditions, and actions match your board's fields and language. When everything looks good, click Create Automation to save it. From there, consider a quick test. Create a sample item or update a status to confirm your workflow behaves as expected. You can add more automations over time, stacking simple rules to support your entire process while keeping things easy to maintain. That's it. You've built a board and turned it into a workflow engine with automations.